Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. Yesterday, I didn't cook. Like I said, Robin and her brother went out on a brother-sister date to commemorate their mother's birthday. But I did a lot of seasoning blending. Wow. Yeah. But got a lot done. Customers are going to be happy. Should be a good time. So like I just mentioned, it's Taco Tuesday. I'm doing tacos in salad form today. It's taco salad day. Let's get to it. Fry pan. That's all I need. Using elk ground. Yes. Elk hamburger. My taco seasoning. No fancy label because I'm still working on this jar of taco seasoning I put together a few weeks ago. So my taco seasoning goes with the elk and a little bit of the salsa. I'm kind of following the recipe. Also, there's a dressing that is the salsa, the sour cream, the taco seasoning, and lime juice. Yeah, good times. We're using an American salad mix. We're going to do black beans, corn, some tomato, avocado, some green onions, either Doritos or regular old corn chips with some salsa and a 4-cheese Mexican blend. I got one more order to do today because I ran out of product to do this. So that's on today as well. So yeah, yummy dinner. It'll be build your own, but I'll get everything ready and prepped. So when Robin gets home, we'll have taco salad bar. Yeah. All right. On this Taco Tuesday, go get your tacos at your favorite taqueria. Wherever you get it. I can't say it. Need another cup of coffee. All right. The Urban Spice blends are doing well. Just kicked it off. So, on this Taco Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.